Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a VEVOR art easel for kids. So let's open it up and see everything that we get inside. And my grandson is here, so I cannot wait for him to check this out. So let's open it up. All right. So we got some packing foam. Let's get that out of the way. And I think that is everything. So let's get that box moved out. Get this unpacked from the bubble wrap. And it looks like it is practically ready to go. So let me just kind of help this bubble wrap off here real quick. All right, so you got a couple loose parts. And we got a parts box. Then the easel itself. Okay, so looks like there's a bunch of different parts to that. And so far, that's what we have. So that's the bottom part. Let's open the parts box open and see what kind of directions we get inside here. Okay, so it looks like you get some paint cups, some rolls of paper that go on there. A whole bunch of, I think that helps that go out. Some quick parts, some markers, some cloth, a dry erase piece there. Some other little colorful things, not sure what those are, but we'll figure that out. The directions, and then the magnetic letters. So that looks like that's a bunch of fun. So let's get that all situated. So let me bring the directions close to you. So that is kind of like the exploded view of parts. That's how it looks like with the assembled. Like I said, it looks like it's pretty good to go already. A couple things to put together on that. So it's 1, 2, and that is 3. Okay, so it's got the extended legs on it. So we are going to put this down on its side, open it up so it sits kind of level. And then we are going to put these together. So it looks like you had that slide piece here, kind of give you an idea. And then it's going to clamp on to this on the outside. So it's going to situate like this. So this will be able to slide up and down depending on your child's height. Pretty cool. So let's get this bag open. So you get the little rubber feet that go down on this end. And since they're sitting in a package, they're kind of a little deformed and tight to get on there, but I think we can get that foot on there pretty good with a little bit of resistance, but accomplished. So these are your two little nut things that go on there, and then you have your bolts, and then you get a washer on each side of that. Okay, so it looks like we're going to push the bolt through the back here, and then we're going to put this piece on like so, and then we're going to put a little washer there. So we got that one going on. And it's kind of like a carriage bolt, so as you tighten it, it will slide into the back there for you. So, and then let's get this leg situated. And again, we'll put that there. So real easy. Okay, so that's nice and tight. And then if you loosen that up a little bit. You can move that up to any height that you need. So we're gonna put it kind of low because my grandson, he is 2.5, so we're not sure exactly how tall he's gonna be. And proportion to this, all right, so we basically got that done. So that basically is step 1. Step 2 is going to be inserting this roller and also this paper. So I'll kind of show you that as well. So depending on how you roll the paper down, I assume it's going to be on that side. So that's all kind of personal preference. And then this little dowel sits on top here. And then that goes in that piece like that. And then up on this piece, same kind of way. Takes a little bit of pressure. So let's set this up. And again, we'll get a more of an up-front view, but this is basically going to get placed on top of the easel. And that sits pretty good on the other side. And it snaps into place, you just heard. Okay, pretty cool. And then it's going to be your bottom tray. And then you have these little dowels at the bottom. So you just push these in. And then your tray sits down here on the bottom as such. Sits on those little pegs. And then you can put all your little accessories, spare paper, all that stuff on the bottom here. And then your magnetic pieces. I think it's magnetic for both sides. So let me see here. All right, so the letter definitely sticks on that side. And then it sticks on that side, so. Okay, so let's bring this inside, set everything up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, and there it is set up. And one thing I didn't do on this side is it has this protective film plastic. You just kind of like peel in the corner and peel it off. I pulled it off on this side, but as you can tell, he absolutely loves it already. Here, you want to try this cutter? Try that one? Yeah. But, okay, you're done. You put it there. Put it down there. That's what that tray's for. There you go. Okay? And like I said, you can adjust the height on the sides. So he's got a lot of room to grow into this. And then, like I said, you got the sheet paper on this side. You can pull it down on the other side and use it. But you got the clip here, so you can pull the paper down, clip it to that, and they have something else they can draw on. And then with the dry erase, you can just erase that. I'm not gonna do that, so upset them, and then we go from there. And then you got all your letters, magnetic letters and numbers on this side. So we think pretty cool. All right, Brian and Aiden from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there. All right, say bye to everybody.